Hello students, today again I have come up with two questions, and today is the last session, practice session for linear equations. From tomorrow onwards we'll start understanding quadrilaterals. Okay, now the first question is, the perimeter of a rectangle pool is 154 meter. Okay, that is, perimeter is given what? 154 meter. Now its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. That is, length has been compared with breadth, isn't it? So its length is what? 2 meter more than twice its breadth. The first of all we need to know the value of breadth. So the first thing we'll do is, let the breadth be x. As we now know the value of breadth as x, so length will be what? Length is what? 2 more than means plus 2 more than twice is breadth. Twice is breadth means what is breadth? X. So twice is breadth means 2x. So this is the value of length. Now as we know the value of perimeter, now what is the formula of perimeter, students, of a rectangle? So perimeter of rectangle is what? The perimeter of rectangle is 2 length plus breadth, isn't it? Now what is the value of rectangle given in the question? It is 154. Okay, now in place of length we'll write 2 plus 2x. Okay, it will be inside the bracket, and breadth is x. Okay, now we'll first solve the bracket first. That is 2 plus 2x plus x. Now solve these two like terms. 154 equals to 2. 2 plus 3x. Now open the bracket. So we'll get 4 plus 6x. Transpose this towards this side. So it will be 154 minus 4 equals to 6x, isn't it? Sorry, this is 3x, not 6x. Okay, now this will be what? 150 equals to 3x. So we can write this as this way also. So x equals to 150 by 3, that will be equals to 50. Now value of x is 50. What was x, students? Breadth. So we are aware of the value of breadth as 50 meter. So what is length? Length is 2 plus 2x, isn't it? So we have to find it out. 2 plus 2 into 50, that is 2 plus 100, that is 102 meter is the answer. Okay, so this type of sum is very important, and I am sure that you have seen the notice. From 24th of August your midterm is starting. So start practicing all the previous chapters also, as I will also go for the practice. Now as whatever sums I have done during the practice session of linear equation, please go through those questions very properly. Okay, now let's move on to sum number 2. Sum number 2 is very easy but very important. Okay, a rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and then add 2 by 3 to the product, you get 7 by 12. What is the number? So as we do not know what is the number, so let the number be x. So according to the problem, ATP means according to the problem, when this number is first multiplied by 5 by 2. So when this number is first multiplied by 5 by 2, and with this product when we add 2 by 3, what we get? We get 7 upon 12. Okay, so this is the required equation. Now solve this. It will be 5x by 2 plus 2 by 3 equals to 7 by 12. Now take this towards this side. Okay, so 5x by 2, it will be 7 by 12 minus 2 by 3. So 5x by 2, LCM would be what? 12. 12 divided by 12 is what? 1. 1 into 7 is 7. 12 divided by 3 is what? 4. 4 2s are 8. Okay, now the answer would be, let's carry on with this. 5x by 2 5x by 2 equals to, what is the answer of this? 7 minus 8 is minus 1 by 12. minus 1 upon 12. So transpose this 2 and 5 towards this side, right hand side. So it will look like minus 1 by 12 into 2 by 5. This is what? So x equals to minus 1 upon 30. Okay. So this is the solution of sum number 2.